Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you the contents of Iberia's Amenity Kit in Premium Economy. Please follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So this is the Amenity Kit that is handed out on Premium Economy flights, or long haul Premium Economy flights, shall I say, on Iberia. So here you got the pouch. So in that it contains some earplugs in there. Do have some toothpaste with a toothbrush and eye mask, which is pretty good eye mask actually, and some socks in there. So that is the Premium Economy Amenity Kit with Iberia. As always, I do appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.